everybody. Dan Sweeney here, back with another vlog for you guys. It's been about a month since we've put out another video, but we are on our way to pick up the car after getting some work done over at Davis Chassis Works. Well, we were down at Florida for Speed Weeks. We had a new body put on, our two doors and the front section of the body minus the hood we had put on, and some suspension related stuff. So we don't have the whole crew here, but with me today up on the ride to Tamworth, we got my dad, which is who got me into racing originally. And we got Mike here that he parked next to us about 4 years ago at Hudson Speedway, and he's been with us ever since. So this is the inside of Davis Chassis Works. On the far back there's another ACT-Type late model, and sitting right next to me is a past modified built by Jeremy Davis himself. Alright, so we got the car all loaded up. We're ready to head back down to Northwood and prepare for the 2024 season. TC 2006. It's been through a whole lot of carnage, but she still runs. She's a fucking gem.
Good on this side. If you're coming straight, turn a little bit right.
Alright, so we got the car back in now from Jeremy Davis over at Davis Chassis Works. He gave us a good amount of tips and pointers. It's shaping up to be a pretty good 2024 season for us. I'll be having a couple more videos coming out shortly here. We'll be putting on a 4-barrel, and I'll be going over some of the suspension stuff that we did, that we had Jeremy do for us. So thank you again for clicking on this video, and thank you for watching. I appreciate it. I'll see you next time. Back inside from Jeremy Davis over at Davis Chassis Works.